Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the changing the background of AutoCAD. You can see the colors of this screen is black, so we are going to change the background of this screen. So first of all, I would like to tell you the two methods to change the background color. So first you have to press the right button of your mouse, and that time you will see the option. So you have to click on this, and the files, and the second one is the display, and you find one is the colors. So you have to click on this, and you can see the colors and see the drop down arrow. So you have to put it, and you can select any one colors of these. You suppose that you want to change the white color, so you have to select the white and apply, then okay. So you will find the change of the background color. And the second one, I press the enter button and press repeat the commands. So I go to the colors and go to the drop down menu and the select color, and you can choose any one: index color, two colors, and color blocks. And you have to drag these rectangle types, and suppose that you have to choose this color, so you will find the variation of these colors. You can choose any one of these. So I choose index color, so I go to the black colors and then okay, and apply and close, then okay. The background colors has not changed, so I will repeat okay and go to the color and the white and the black, so apply, close, and apply, then okay. So you can see in the methods how to change the background colors of the screens. I think so if you like this video, please like and share. Thank you.